That is horrible.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Callia K, and I have my special guest. What's your name?
JB.
So this is my niece. She's gonna be doing my makeup. So this is the before, and let's get into the after, guys. Be sure to what?
Like and subscribe.
And
press the bell.
And comment
Down below.
Yes, let us know how she did, and let's jump right into this video.
So first we're gonna lotion her face with some Cetaphil.
So, cause she's talking like a mouse, she's gonna do my eyebrows with what?
LA Girl Shady Slim Brown Pencil.
Yes. Oh, by the way, guys. She has on my wig. Yeah. Just to like let you guys know. She has on my wig. She insisted. Do you know how to conceal eyebrows? You sure?
I like it. I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Concealer.
And what shade?
That is.
You're gonna use the brushy thingy to like conceal it, or?
Yeah, I'm gonna do on your eyebrows.
What did you say?
I'm just doing what my auntie does every time I see her do her makeup, cause she always like. I got some in her eyelash. So now I'm going to be using this. This is also another LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is the GC 981 Toast.
Okay.
Oh wait, it's upside down. See that?
Where are you gonna use it? Oh. Sis know what she doing.
Alright, so just gonna put a couple of lines over her forehead.
Forehead line?
Okay, I need you to go like this. Okay.
But you didn't put my foundation on yet.
Oh yeah, your foundation.
You forgetting stuff?
MAC, it's a MAC concealer.
No, it's a matte foundation.
MAC foundation.
And I'm using it in the shade
NC46. I am just gonna be using one of these brushes. It's really simple.
You're not talkative at all on camera. But when you, oh my goodness, guys, she's so funny. She has so much to say off camera. Now that she's on camera, she's quiet as a mouse.
Because normally when I'm like doing something like playing Roblox, I'm really quiet.
Wait, what did you say?
Normally when I'm like playing Roblox or I'm doing something, I'm really quiet.
No, when you playing Roblox, she talks the whole game. Like, nobody could be talking to her. She's talking the whole entire game. I'm like, Jenny, who are you talking to? I'm just on my game, Auntie. I'm just on my game.
I want you to go like this.
She will look like this. Like this. Oh.
This again, but we had to leave this because we forgot her foundation. Okay, it's fine. Just you look really tired. Okay, you could just like.
Do I look cute? Yes or no?
What is your beauty?
I gave it to you.
I laugh.
You lost the beauty blender? We'll be right back. She lost the beauty blender.
This one.
We found the beauty blender.
I want to use this angle.
You don't want to use the beauty blender no more? Oh.
There's three things I like about the summertime. Drop tops, long hot nights, and summer love.
We're using the Lash
Sensation
Sensation
by Maybelline.
by Maybelline New York.
Yeah.
Of course, it's black.
I'm scared.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh well, we'll fix that later. Alright, we did our lashes. Again, we're gonna use this brush. We're going to take the Bella. Wait. We're gonna take the Bella, we're gonna use the rose gold for her corners of her eyes. Then we're gonna use the pink for on top. We're gonna use this same brush
For the same side?
for the same.
For the different.
Yeah, we're gonna use the
You
pink
don't
on
wanna
top.
use-
We're gonna use this brush.
I never used that one either. For my eyelids?
Yeah.
Oh.
Set you aside for me, and now you are my prize. Wanna grow up with ya, build a house.
It's not really colorful, but we don't have to go so extra. Guys, she literally has so many brushes. Guys, we also had a little accident while I was putting mascara on her eye. What is that called?
My eyelid? Oh,
No.
my eyelashes.
I forgot. Well, we were putting
Why you said that like I forget?
we were putting mascara on her eyelashes. It kind of got on top of her eyelids, so we're just gonna like put
Color over it.
yeah color over it, like nothing happened. We're going to do the mango butter lip gloss.
There's three things I like about the summertime. Drop tops, long hot nights, and summer love. Hey, yo, B, tell them what time it is.
Oh,
Check her
right.
out. She did a. Y'all sleep.
All right, then we're gonna use this.
Yes.
This is a bronze pearl. Okay. We're just gonna push that button.
I should have took a picture.
You were the one that stayed aside, waited a while, and took your time. You don't know how impressing your curiosity.
We're going to add some more Becca again. I'm gonna do the same rose gold color just to give her cheeks and nose a little bit of shine and glitter.
She know what she's talking about. Let her know she's doing a great job.
Oh my god. Little brush, and I'm gonna add some pink just to give her a little bit of blush.
Oh. Okay, sis.
Mix it in with the glitter.
Oh, good night.
Okay, so we got the Voluminous
Voluminous.
Superstar.
Yes.
Alright, this one First time
So-
attempting to try to do the cat eye.
Okay.
That is horrible. No, we're just gonna wipe it off. Wipe this off. Then what we are going to do
Is redo it.
is we're just gonna go again and leave it like this.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. What? Oh my gosh.
I don't know how I'm gonna do on this side. I'm not too good with the left side.
You got this.
Just gonna do the same little thing that we did on
They can.
the song.
Let her know in the comments that she did really good.
I'm just gonna do her eyebrows again really quickly. They didn't turn out as dark. It's not looking as good, so
It looks good to me.
to you. We going
you always lying?
to go with this Pro Concealer again, and we want to shade it in.
Like they know me, you were the one that stayed aside, waited a while, and took your time. You don't know how impressing your curiosity was to me. It was the 4th day of July.
Oh my god! My god! The next eyebrow.
So that's it.
No.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I think you.
It's too white up there.
Okay.
Alrighty, guys. So this is the final look. I did a pretty good job,
Yes.
I think.
Let me do a slow mo for them.
For me now, you are my prize. Wanna grow old picture, build a house with your pictures, have a son for you, little girl, together world.
So yes, guys, this is the final look done by Jaylee herself, and she over here fixing her eyelash, her eyebrows. So guys, this is the final look, and we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like,
Comment and subscribe and press the bell so that you know when she posts new videos.
You heard her, because what?
We're growing over here, sis.
So with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next, or I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.
Mwah.
Bye.
There's 3 things